Hello everyone, Andy here. Let's have a look at the Dow Jones futures for Friday, October 27. For the record, today is October 26. Thursday time is around 5:45 p.m. GMT. So yesterday I got a bit suspicious that the Nasdaq was taking out the October 4th and the October 23 low, but the other indices were not really following. But now also the Dow Jones took out the October 4 low, so now it makes more sense to see this as five waves, and therefore I changed my colors. So the scenario in green now has the five waves: one, two, three, four, five. So this looks the most likely one, and then the scenario in red is still dealing with the WXY correction, but this becomes less likely. So the five waves actually have some implications for the higher time frame, but I will deal with this in my analysis this weekend, where I discuss the higher time frame. For now, here on the lower time frame, so we took out the low right here. Now we have five waves: one, two, three, four, five. And so if we can interpret this as five waves, then we can look here at this final structure as this fifth wave, analyze this fifth wave in more detail. And what do we see here in the 4 hour? That we actually already kind of have five swings: one, two, three, four, five. We also have divergence here, so we make a new low in price, but not in RSI. This is typically an exhaustion pattern. So this could be indications that we have a complete structure here. If we have a complete structure here, then we probably also have a complete structure here, because we have one, two, three, four, five. So the end of this wave would actually mean the end of this structure from here till here. Let's have a look on the daily. Yeah, on the daily, we also have the five wave, the impulsive pattern here, like one, two, three, four. We break the RSI trend line. We have RSI divergence here when we make this low. So this looks like five waves down. Of course, this depends now on your personal preference and your trading system. Like if you try to catch the low right here, then you should still know that you are trading against the higher time frame direction. In the weekly, we are clearly bearish. This weekend, I will make a higher time frame analysis. I think we should start to consider also more bearish scenarios. And as long as we are bearish in the higher time frame, everything to the downside can play out. So here on the lower time frame, okay, five waves down, divergence. If we look at the 1 hour, this would be my count here: one, two, three, four, and now the fifth wave. If we look here at the 15 minutes, so then our wave 4 should be situated right here, like this, and then we could have one, two, three, four, five down. So this could be the low, but of course, like I say, in the higher time frame, we are bearish. So like this can also easily extend to the downside, in the sense that like this can be the one, there's the two, and that three is now going. So to be sure, we need some kind of confirmation, which means like upside followed by a kind of retest. This low should then hold, and then we are kind of sure, or I mean, we have more confirmation that we have some low right here. So yeah, I would wait for a bit more data. The good thing is that, well, good depends how you look at it, but I mean, for from an analysis perspective, like now the markets are aligned, I would say. Maybe the DAX can also take out the October 23 low, and then they are really acting all together. The DAX does not have to do this, but if it would do it, then we are all nicely aligned. And yeah, the lower time frame, this is now the structure to investigate. For now, this looks complete, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. We end with divergence. 5 swings ending with divergence can be a complete structure. But of course, the higher time frame is bearish, so you really need good strategies to try or to enter here this position for a long, because there is not really an invalidation level, I would say. Okay, so let's wait for a bit more data. This weekend, I will have a look at a higher time frame, because yeah, 5 waves down from our high has some implications for the higher time frame. So this we will analyze this weekend. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you this weekend for a video of the higher time frame. Have a nice day. Bye bye.